Hello, y'all. So this is the pineapple pound cake, refrigerated about 24 hours later. Of course, if you know, when you use fresh fruit, any type of heavy components or complement in your cake batter, pretty much it's going to sink to the bottom, so that goes for blueberries, chocolate chips, pineapple. For instance, in this recipe we use fresh pineapple, so already knowing it was going to fall to the bottom of the batter, I made sure I only used half of what the recipe I googled asked for, because I didn't want to completely tear up the bottom. But nonetheless, it's completely done. So what we're going to do to cover the imperfections of our tasty pound cake is some powdered sugar. I cannot stand buttercream icing. I just can't. And then we're going to garnish it with a little zest off of this lemon, and it'll be good to go.